Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to build a SaaS MVP using Softr and Airtable in 2025 without writing any code. Step 1. Create a free Airtable account and build your database with tables for users, products, or services. Step 2. Sign into Softr and start a new app. Choose a template that fits your SaaS structure or start from scratch. Step 3. Click on Data in Software and connect to your Airtable base using your API key and base ID. Step 4. Add features like user login, gated content forms, and custom actions directly in Software. Step 5. Finally hit publish and your no-code MVP is live and ready to test. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.